We are just went to the Filipino shop. Ah, there's the light over there.
There's some lights.
Yeah,
That's
some
not
light
much.
there. There's some light there. Went to the Filipino shop to get some, what do you call that, honey? The suman. It's the dessert sticky rice. It's dark here now, guys, but my husband and I, we like driving to see the sunset. See the sunset, how so beautiful. Oh no, I haven't contacted the supervisor yet about the work tomorrow. Okay.
Is that all?
Yeah, it's alright.
Oh,
Yeah, I can now.
before it's too late.
Yeah, no problem.
Is that what? Any ice cream do you?
No, now I changed my mind. You know, woman always changing mind.
Yep.
You should know. You married one of them.
Yep. Definitely. Big time.
Yeah, my next holiday planning to the Philippines or Perth or Adelaide. But I think Philippines first. And I leave my husband behind.
No, you'll get lost there.
That's all
You
right.
need me.
That's alright. I have plenty followers there, family there. Will guide me. We are just stuck in the tropic again. Mm-hmm. Go light, green, green. 1, 2, 3.